Don't tell anyone I'm in here and then I'll pop out at the end.
Zachary, it's recording. I have another video on her, of her on YouTube of her, the alien. Because it was when I put green marker on her. Don't show her no-nos.
Did she text the zombie?
Get him! Get him, alien dog!
Does it stink?
I like the beginning.
Get him, alien dog! Oh, Zachary, don't stand up. She was.
To the dog.
Pinkers! You see her dress? Look at her dress! Alien Pinky! Shake your ass!
This is for you, Trace. Trace, whatever your freaking last name. Your real name's Matthew, but it's all cool.
That's sad whenever you're dating him and you don't know his last name.
He doesn't know my last name. He just knows my first name. It's my jam.
Okay,